The $1 million AI secret that the rich don't want you knowing about. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here, and what I'm doing right here in front of you is using automated tools to get traffic online and then turn that traffic into dollars. So I'm going to break down exactly how this works for you here live. So you can see right now, this is a tool that is finding me keywords. So this is the first place to start, but I'll get more into this in a second. I want to come over here to a tool called ChatGPT. This is an AI writing tool, and I'm going to set this off to get started. And I'm going to have it write me 10 15-second TikTok video scripts that can promote an SEO tool called ShineRanker. That's the tool I was just showing you that finds keywords. Don't worry, I'm going to put this all together for you in just a minute. I just want to get these tools going so they're working at the same time as I'm creating this video so that we can multitask. So here's another one for you. This one is called Midjourney, and right now I'm giving it a prompt to create me a robot that mass produces viral videos with glowing purple eyes against a blank white background. Very similar to the image above here. You can see I asked it to create me a video marketing influencer robot with glowing purple eyes against a plain white background. Now the reason I'm doing this, so I'll go ahead and hit enter and let it get started with that. The reason I'm doing that is I can use these images in my thumbnails, I can use them in TikTok videos, I can use them in blogs. So what I want to show you here before I go ahead and show you the steps is just how fast all this stuff works. Look, in the first minute of the video, we've already created 10 full video scripts. We've already found keywords that we can use to generate content. So let me pull up those steps right now. So here are the steps to basically get on board with the $1 million AI secret that the rich don't want getting out. Now, the reason I say that this is the $1 million AI secret is because what I'm showing you here is the quickest summary I can of the strategy we've used here at ShineRanker to generate between $7,000 to $9,000 a day consistently, earning us over $1 million over the course of the past year. Now, obviously, you're not going to jump from making no money online to making $1 million a year your first year. Most likely, it's going to be a process, and you need to start from the beginning, which is what we are doing now. So if that sounds good to you, if you're ready to get started and you understand it's going to take some work to get started, but that in the long run, this is an opportunity for you to make, to scale your income to where you want it to be, right? Rather than be stuck in a 9-to-5 job. So the first thing I want you to do is comment yes, and let me know that you're interested in this and that you want more information. So go ahead, leave a comment down below telling me, yes, I'm on board with this, and we will go ahead and continue. So the next thing you want to do is grab ShineRanker from shineranker.com. And then once you do that, I'm going to ask you to join the Facebook group as well, but just head over to shineranker.com here. There's a video that explains more about how this works, but I'm going to show you in just a second here how to use this tool. But anyways, you can get a 10-day free trial. Highly recommend you do that, because then you can not only follow along with this video, but you can make use of this tool for more than a week and really reap the benefits of everything it has to offer. So I don't have the Facebook group pulled up in a tab here, but I'll link it right down below this video. In the description of the video will be a link to join the Facebook group, and the reason you want to do that is because you're going to be able to see how other people use this tool. So rather than just getting my perspective, you can get the group's perspective, and we want you to even contribute there. So if you've used the tool or if you have questions of the tool, whatever it is, make sure to post them in the Facebook group, and we'll try and get you some answers if you have questions. Or if you're using the tool and you love it, we'd be happy to promote that post as well so that more people see your content as well as our group. And it's a team effort. You get the idea. Join the Facebook group. Make sure you grab the tool from shineranker.com so you can follow along, and we'll just move right along here. So there's one more website I want to show you here. Hopefully you're not getting overwhelmed just yet. This is pretty simple stuff. I know a lot of people think that bots and AI and automation can be scary, which is why we've made this domain Scary Toolbots, right? But there's really nothing scary about it. All you have to do is come here to scarytoolbots.com and get all of the scary money-making robot tools for free. Well, the tools aren't all free, but you get the list of them for free is what I'm trying to say. So put your email in this list. Now, the reason you want to do this is because all of these tools on this list, there's over 50 of them here. You can see a handful of them here in the preview. There's over 50 of them, but each one of these tools is going to allow you to make money literally just by sharing a link. You can see the URLs here. So basically, when you grab this list, you pick the tool you want to promote, you click on the link, and you sign up as an affiliate. Now, all affiliate means is that you make money for promoting another company or another tool, right? And these are all AI or automation tools that you can promote to make money just by sharing a link. So if we come back to the list here, we really haven't started with the content creation process, although to be honest with you, it's already done. If we come back here, remember I asked this bot to create me images. Look, here are the 4 images that it created for me. So now I can actually ask it to upscale one of these. So I actually really like this guy right here, this third one. So what I'm going to do is click U3. That means upscale 3. So in the next minute or so, I'm going to get a much bigger, nicer version of that image. So we'll let that do its thing. We'll check back in here on ShineRanker or on ChatGPT. Like I said, so here I asked it to create me 10-15 second TikTok video scripts that promote an SEO tool called ShineRanker. Obviously, it's the ShineRanker channel. I'm showing you how to use ShineRanker. I want to promote it, right? So what I started the video by doing was entering keyword topics, clicking this button here inside the ShineRanker dashboard, right? Remember I told you grab ShineRanker so you can follow along. This is, if you haven't already, go ahead, pause the video, go to ShineRanker.com, start your free trial so that you could do what I'm showing you here, right? So what I did was I entered 3 variations of the words I'm looking for in this box, and those are SEO tools, sales tools, and marketing tools, right? Because we want to promote the different software on scarytoolbots.com. So what this does is find the words that people are actually searching on Google and actually show us how often these words are getting searched. And we can even update the difficulty. You can see here it gives us a difficulty score. Sometimes they're missing, so you just click on that, click update selected difficulty, no big deal. It should pull in that data for you. But just here at the top of this list already, we can see that Ubersuggest gets 40,500 searches a month, but has a difficulty of 68, whereas Google Keywords Planner, all separate words, gets 33,100 searches, but has a difficulty of 1, which is amazing to me. And same with just this one, Keywords Planner, Google Webmasters Tools, right? So these are the easy ones that get a lot of traffic that we want to target. So by comparison, if we sort this by lowest monthly searches, right? So if you went after Facebook Marketing Analytics page name, if for some reason you chose that keyword, it gets 0 monthly searches, so you'd be getting no traffic. And even down here, look, this one has a difficulty of 86, Search Console Shopify. Right, so if you wanted to make a video about that, there's only 10 people total searching that per month, but very difficult, lots of competition, right? So that's not what we want. So we're going to sort this by monthly searches, and we're just going to come through and find easy keywords. Now, I could go on for hours and hours showing you how to use this tool, showing you how to add these keywords to a project. For example, if I click this check mark, you can see how it highlights this right here. If I click it again, it highlights that, and I can unhighlight it. And basically what that's doing is putting these keywords into my project so I can track these results over time. But I don't want to get too carried away with showing you that. I want to stick to the plan here with what we're doing. So right now we've pretty much done all of this. I'm just kind of covering it and showing you in order what you want to do. So once you've grabbed the tools, right, that's the first half of this list, is just getting the tools and getting set up. Then you're going to find trends using ShineRanker. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. And finding these keywords. Now, say you don't like any of these keywords. All you have to do is come back here to the keyword research section and give it better instructions for what you want. So let's say we wanted to really focus in on SEO tools. So we'll say SEO tools, then we might say organic traffic, and we might say organic marketing. Right? So this will give us a little bit of variation with the words, and we might be able to snag some that we didn't see previously before. But you could see that all these tools work in a matter of seconds. Look at that. It's already found over 100 keywords, 200 keywords, going on 300 keywords now in a matter of seconds, whereas to sit and type out all of these keywords manually would take you hours, first of all, and then of course you wouldn't have any of this useful data, like how much it costs per click to run ads on these words, the difficulty score, you wouldn't know the search volumes, none of this. And this is all done in seconds, right? And it's the same with all of these tools. I'm showing you a few of them here, right? So I hope you're following along with what we're doing here. We're finding keywords here. Once you find a keyword that you like, so if we scroll down, these are all pretty difficult. So let's come here. Oh, there was one, but it put us back to page 1. Just a second here. If we come back to page 2, check website keyword ranking. There, difficulty of 2, getting 1,300 searches per month. That is perfect for ShineRanker. So again, we'll just come back over here, and this time we might say, write an 800-word blog post about. So then, we got to make this make sense, about how to check website keyword ranking, right? That was easy. So now we're just going to click a button. It's literally that simple. We click a button, and look, it's already started typing. And all this content is logical, it makes sense, and it's helpful. So at most, all we have to do is, when this finishes typing out this blog, at most, all we have to do is reword this, right? So we don't get, if we're worried about Google, some people are worried about Google penalizing AI content. The way I understand it, they only penalize unhelpful content. So they don't really care whether you wrote the content, or AI wrote the content, or your cousin John wrote the content, or, it doesn't matter. As long as the content is helping people, I believe Google's going to show it to people. And a quick way, if you are worried about, using AI to generate content, a super quick way to avoid that is to just go through and reword this once it's done. But this is taking the meat out of the work. I hope you see what I'm trying to show you here, the value I'm trying to impart with showing you these tools in just a few minutes we have together here. Look, this is almost a complete article. Look, it's over a page long already, and that would have taken me. I'm not a fast typer, but I can use the keyboard relatively quickly, but as far as coming up with the ideas and thinking about what I'm going to say, I often find myself just staring at a white screen for a long time and then typing something and then backspacing it. No, that's not good enough. And then sitting there trying to reword stuff in my head, and it just takes forever. Whereas with this, look, since you've started watching this video, since you clicked play on this video, I've written out 10 TikTok scripts, and look, we can check them out if you want to see if they're any good. Sick of not showing up on Google? Get your website to shine with ShineRanker. That's number 1, right? Not bad. Number 2, maximize your website's potential with ShineRanker's advanced tools. And then it even gives us hashtag ShineBright SEO boost. Say goodbye to low rankings and hello to top-notch search with ShineRanker. So these are all decent. These are all going to, generate attention. So right now, I've already generated 10 of these, so I can just go whip out my phone, film my screen, and record 10 videos. Now here I've got a blog post. I can go slap this on my blog, again with an affiliate link. So that's why it's important that you come to scarytoolbots.com and grab the list of money making robots. That's essentially what these are, right? These are just showing you text on a screen, but these are actually extremely high-tech, advanced tools that we can use. So here we go. Remember I said I like this image, so I had it upgraded. There we go. Now if I click on that, now I have this image that I can use in my blog post about bots, right? And I can use this as the thumbnail on this video. So when you're watching this video and you think back to the thumbnail you clicked on, if you thought that was a cool-looking bot, this is how I created it. I literally just typed some words in here. I said, make me a robot that looks like this, and while you were watching the video, it's created this. So I've done all of this live while you've been watching. So to put this all together for you, this is what we've been doing, creating content AI tools, right? We found the trends using ShineRanker. So now we've created some content. We might even go a little further and record a couple videos, but there's only so much I can show you in this one video. But basically now what we're going to do is post to all vertical social media platforms, right? And we might post to our blog, we might post text to Facebook. I'm not limiting this to video. The reason I'm stressing vertical video right now is because vertical social media is being pushed harder than ever before by these big platforms. They're all competing with each other. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, these are all separate brands, right? Well, Facebook and Instagram are kind of, owned by the same person, but you understand what I'm saying? Each of these platforms wants people spending time on it. They don't want YouTube doesn't want you getting off of YouTube and going over to TikTok. So what do? They create a similar kind of content, right? They create short form content in an algorithm that pushes the videos and shows people what they like. And the same thing is true with Facebook and Instagram. These platforms all want people not only on their platform, but they want people addicted to their platform and using it over and over and over again. So as far as I understand, the most addictive kind of content is short form videos, vertical short videos, because people will just scroll and watch them all day long. So obviously, I'm not saying that you should take advantage of addiction, but I think if you look around, you see that everyone is virtually addicted to their phone, looking at it all day long. So if you want to get in front of them, if you want to share your message with them, the easiest way to do that is to start putting out short form videos. So when they're scrolling through, then bam, all of a sudden there you are with some helpful information about, for example, how they can make $1 million online eventually if they put their mind to it. So that's what I'm trying to show you here. That's what I want you to get started. Like I said, it is a process. Most likely you will not get to this overnight, which is why it's more important than ever that you start right now. Right? If it's not going to happen overnight, if it's going to take you time, like everything else you've learned in your life, you're going to have to practice and get better at it. There's never been a better time than right now to start. So if I didn't convince you at the beginning of the video, hopefully I've convinced you now to head over to ShineRanker and start your 10-day free trial. You can actually grab a year's access to this tool for less than most of the competitors charge per month. So if you want to get access to the tool for a year for less than what you'd pay another company for a month, grab yearly access. And then again, make sure you grab the tools that you can actually promote from scarytoolbots.com so that you actually have a way to start making money online from this content and using these different AI bots and automations that I'm showing you. So like I said, one more reminder to join the Facebook group if you haven't already, so that you can become part of the community. You can share with us what you're working on. We can help you out, and we could just grow together. So other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video.